unlocking the magic of textile printing. From ancient civilizations to the digital age, textile printing has evolved into an art form. True Colors Group stands at the forefront of this revolution, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology to create masterpieces. Our journey began in 2013 with a vision to integrate cutting-edge technology with traditional craftsmanship. Today, we are a vibrant family of over 650 passionate professionals dedicated to transforming the textile printing industry. In today's environmentally conscious world, we take pride in being a leading force of innovation and sustainable practices in India. Our expansive 2 lakh square feet facility in Vesma, Navsari stands as a testament to our scale and commitment. By 2013, we began trading digital printing machines and inks. Our textile machinery and ink division is at the forefront of technological advancement, providing printing inks compatible with almost all textile print heads. We've installed over 1,600 digital printing machines across India, including the country's first double-sided digital textile printer. We import state-of-the-art digital fabric printing machines from premium manufacturers like Konica Minolta, Pengda, Hope Tech, Skyjet, and Ital, ensuring our clients receive the best technology available. Our core strength lies in after-sales service support, with a dedicated team of 50 engineers working together to ensure customers get maximum output from our printers. This team is India's largest and most experienced team in the digital textile machine industry. We specialize in raw material coating and sublimation paper production, serving clients across India with a monthly production capacity of 1 crore meters. Our in-house production facility manufactures paper and necessary chemicals, streamlining the process for optimal efficiency and reliability. At True Colors Group, we don't just create products, we craft experiences, build relationships, and shape the future. We are dedicated to innovation, quality, and excellence, painting the future with vibrant colors. Our passion, innovation, and relentless dedication have made us more than just a company. We are a vision realized,